In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some easy steps to fix Apple Music syncing issues. Whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, let's dive in and get your music back to syncing properly. First things first, let's make sure your Apple Music subscription is active. Go to Settings, tap on your name at the top and select Subscription. Here, make sure Apple Music is active and that you're in the right plan. If your subscription is expired or there's a payment issues, try fixing it by following the on-screen instructions. Next, we need to ensure that iCloud Music Library is turned on. This feature syncs your music across all Apple devices. So if it's turned off, your library won't sync. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Music or simply search for Music. Make sure sync library is enabled. If it's off, just toggle it on. Sometimes syncing issues are simply due to a poor connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or internet connection. So these are some steps you can take to fix Apple Music library not syncing. Hopefully one of these tips worked for you and your music is now syncing seamlessly across your devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.